The story of love, courage and defeat of the evil. Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana reached Panchavati. They chose a place near the Godavari river. Lakshmana built a hut with wood and leaves. The forest was full of life and beauty. Birds sang and deer wandered freely. Sita felt peaceful and happy. Rama protected all living beings. They lived a simple and calm life. A demoness named Shurpanakha arrived. She saw Rama and admired him. She tried to speak to him boldly. Rama gently refused her. She became jealous of Sita. Anger filled her heart. She tried to attack Sita. Lakshmana stepped in to protect her. A golden deer appeared near the hut. Its beauty amazed Sita deeply. She asked Rama to catch it. Rama followed the deer into the forest. Lakshmana stayed to guard Sita. The deer was a demon in disguise. It led Rama far away. Silence filled the forest. A cry echoed through the forest. Sita grew worried for Rama. She urged Lakshmana to go. He finally left to help. Ravana came disguised as a sage. He spoke gently at first. He revealed his true form. He kidnapped Sita and fled. Jatayu saw Ravana flying away. He tried to save Sita. A fierce battle began in the sky. Jatayu fought with courage. Ravana attacked him harshly. Jatayu was badly wounded. He fell to the ground. Sita cried as she was taken away. Rama returned and found Sita gone. He searched in pain and fear. Lakshmana tried to calm him. They found injured Jatayu. Jatayu told them the truth. He passed away after speaking. Rama felt deep sorrow. He vowed to rescue Sita. They met Hanuman in the forest. He was wise and strong. He introduced Sugriva to them. Sugriva was a king in exile. Rama promised to help him. Sugriva promised to help Rama. Hanuman became devoted to Rama. A strong bond was formed. Sugriva sent search teams everywhere. They searched forests and mountains. Hanuman led the southern group. They faced hunger and hardship. They reached the great ocean. Hope seemed to fade away. Then they found clues. Hope returned again. Hanuman stood before the ocean. He gathered his strength. He grew in confidence. He leaped into the sky. The ocean stretched below. Winds roared around him. He moved with great speed. His mission was clear. Hanuman reached Lanka quietly. He searched through the city. He found Sita in a garden. She looked sad but strong. He spoke gently to her. He gave Rama's ring. Sita felt hope again. She sent a message back. Hanuman entered Ravana's court. He spoke boldly and fearlessly. Ravana grew angry. Hanuman was captured. His tail was set on fire. He escaped quickly. He burned parts of Lanka. Then he returned safely. Rama prepared for battle. The ocean blocked the path. The army built a bridge. Stones floated with faith. Everyone worked together. The bridge stretched far. The army crossed it. War was near. The battle began in Lanka. Warriors fought bravely. Lakshmana faced strong enemies. Hanuman showed great power. The enemy army was fierce. Rama stayed calm. The battle went on. Many heroes rose. Rama faced Ravana at last. The battle was intense. Ravana fought fiercely. Rama stayed focused. He used a powerful weapon. The arrow struck Ravana. Ravana fell defeated. Evil was destroyed. Rama and Sita reunited. Lakshmana stood beside them. They returned to Ayodhya. People welcomed them warmly. Lights filled the city. Rama was crowned king. Peace returned everywhere. Their story lived forever.